तो भाइयों और बहनों, आज हम आ चुके हैं एक और थॉट एक्सपेरिमेंट लेके। थॉट एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं, थॉट डीप डाइव। तो हुआ क्या कि आज मेरे को ऐसे ख्याल आया कि यार लाइफ में कितने सारे डिसीजंस दैट वी टेक, वी जस्ट से दैट दिस डिसीजन इज गुड और बैड। हाउ कैन दिस बी सो बाइनरी दैट डिसीजंस आर गुड और बैड? और मेरे को ये तब ख्याल आया जब आज मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे कहा कि जो होता है वो अच्छे के लिए होता है, राइट? एंड इफ यू लुक बैक इन रेट्रोस्पेक्ट, आपको लगता है कि हाँ, exactly what happened was the right thing to, was the right thing that was meant to be. And this is the model to remain happy, right? This is a good model to remain happy. But what do you do when you sort of jump on the other side, right? What would have happened if you would have taken the other route, right? So most of the times, we as humans do not have the processing power to understand what would happen, and also we do not have time machines to figure out what would have happened if there was a person who split up and took a different decision altogether, right? अब मैं ये सोच रहा था कि while we take decisions for our life, and while there are different branches at any particular point in time जो हमेशा निकलती रहती है कि आज if I am standing at this particular point, I have, let's say, 10 decisions to take tomorrow, and the kind of decisions I take tomorrow will dictate my life. Now I was thinking कि what if I apply a very simple mental model which is of relativity, and there are other things which I can combine to this, and I can make the problem more complex, and I can make the decision making process more complex. But I was just thinking that अगर हम relativity को लगाते हैं अपने decision making process में, then कुछ भी अच्छा और बुरा हो नहीं सकता। और अगर कुछ अच्छा और बुरा नहीं हो सकता तो क्यों नहीं हो सकता? बिकॉज relativity says that कुछ भी अच्छा और बुरा है relative to something. So let's say if I say that this decision is good for me, but what can be some, there can be something else which is better than this, and कुछ बुरा है मेरे लिए, there can be something which is way more bad than that particular decision. So how do we think about stuff? Then I went on to think that अगर मान लो कि मैं relativity का concept लगा के ये सोच लेता हूँ कि है ना, कोई चीज अगर अच्छी है और मैं उसके बेंचमार्क में लेता हूँ कि यार ये चीज इससे ज्यादा अच्छी हो सकती है, तो कैसे पता मुझे कि वो चीज अच्छी होगी या नहीं? आप कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी देख रहे हो मतलब प्रॉब्लम की? बिकॉज we don't have enough processing power to understand. So most of the life we are taking decisions based on, we don't know all the possibilities, right? And most of the times we are taking decisions on the very little information we have. And most often than not, हम इंसान इतने बेवकूफ हैं कि हम ये बोलते हैं कि we have taken the right decision, but we are not humble enough to understand that there could have been other possibilities जो turn out हो सकती थी. I understand that this is the best way to remain happy, because if you think of other possibilities, then you would overclock your brain. What if we had that processing power? What if we would be able to have all the information, and we would be able to have all the metrics to take that decision, and we could apply this concept of relativity कि हमको पता चल जाए कि is there a better path than this, and then we also understand that if that path is better fit for us or not. तो then मेरे दिमाग में एक thought आया कि we have the internet, and we have the entire information overflow with us. Could there be an app which predicts or decide with all the historical information it has ki what could be relatively better than the decision you took? So for example, it could be an app, right? And मैं जैसे enter करूँगी ना, I am thinking to learn crypto, and I input my reason as well कि I want to learn crypto because I think this is the future. Then that app might throw off a recommendation that if you are concerned about the future, and if you are concerned about, let's say, a particular metric revenue, then this might be a better opportunity than this, because I can see through predictive analysis, forecasting, the number of keywords searched, and the interest people have, the buyer interest, that machine could tell me that what's the best path to choose. But then if that would happen, a lot of people would take advantage of that, and that particular way would be clogged, because then that market would have saturation. So this is just a thought experiment. I don't know where this leaves you to, but this is an intriguing way to think about things, things and decisions we take in our everyday life. And this is also intriguing when it comes to when you see a lot of your past decisions. मतलब दिमाग घूम जाएगा. Yeah, this is just a thought experiment. You could try and apply to all the decisions you have taken in life up until now, and you can see that what could have been a better outcome, what could have been a lesser outcome from that decision. एंड दिस इज गुड थॉट एक्सपेरिमेंट. बस बैठ जाओ अपने साथ और ये बातें करना स्टार्ट कर दो. यू वुड नो दैट कितने डिसीजंस मे बी आपने गलत लिए, मे बी देयर वाज समथिंग बेटर, एंड मे बी दिस थॉट डजंट डिजर्व टू thought doesn't deserve time, because if you would think about a lot of those things, then you might overclock yourself. So I found it very fascinating कि ऐसा कर सकते हो. Yeah. So, and I've been applying this thought to a lot of decisions that I've taken and that I'll now take. Let's see how this leads to. If there is an update on this, any outcomes out of this particular thought experiment, I'll let you know. Up until then, चलो अगले वीडियो में हम लोग मिलते हैं. बढ़िया, मजा आया बात करके. बाय.